Tosh Tyres. I've got a Suzuki Alto here on a 2013 plate, just doing an indicator bulb. But before I do any of that, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to switch the hazards off, switch the ignition on. As you can see in the display right there on the right hand side, and how it's flickering at the moment, so it's doing it quite slow. But as I turn it to my left, you see how fast it's doing it. So that means on the left hand side, either the front one, the middle one, or the back one, bulb is not working. But on this one, it's the front, which I will show you now. As you can see right there, so that one's flickering really fast. The back one is working right there, but the front one isn't. So we're going to replace this one now. It's quite a simple procedure on this one. It's the plug right there, the top one with the green wires, which is this one here. Now to undo it, you twist it and pull the whole thing out, and it's the orange bulb. So I'm just going to show you how it's replaced. Now the bulb you need, it's an RB581 right there. That's the part number right there. Now to know the difference with the bulb as well, on this one, if you can see the little pin locators, right, one's slightly lower than the other. With the new ones, with the old one, when you take that out as well, as you can see right there, so one's lower than the other, so this is perfectly fine. I'm just going to switch the indicator off before I plug it in. Right, and then you slot it through the hole. There's only one way the bulb would go, so once you've got it in there, you then twist it to the right. But before it was twisting it to the left, now it's to the right. And now I'm going to switch the indicators on. So if you switch the turn to the left, please. Indicate to the left. Now you can see that one's working. And now to the right. We go into the car. You now can see that one there stop flickering really fast. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If you've got the same one, you know, this is how you replace the bulb for the indicator. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Thank you very much. Goodbye.